which is while and thus. Let's say one more, Denn. Okay, only these three connectors we have in A2. Yes, no, we have two more, when and als. We'll do that after these. Coming to these while and thus, first of all, doing this while and Denn. While und Denn, both the meaning is same, which is because. Okay, coming to the usage, as in if these are same, so what is the difference? The difference is that while is your SOC connector conjunction, sorry, and Denn is your COC. Means all the connectors that you have under COC, coordinating conjunction we call them, it do not affect the verb position.
Okay.
Do not affect verb position, which means that verb comes at second position only. Coming to SOC, it affects the verb order. And all the SOC connectors, these conjunction, form Nebensatz. And with the Nebensatz, what is the rule? That verb goes
At the
end. This is the difference between while and Denn. One more difference, you cannot start the sentence with Denn. Cannot start the sentence with Denn. But with while you can start. Okay? Can start the sentence. Now, coming to the sentence structure, let's say for the while first. So if you are starting your sentence with normal Hauptsatz, so it will be subject plus verb plus object. Then after that you will put comma. This is your Hauptsatz.
Right.
After that you have put comma, you will write while. After while you will mention the subject.
The subject.
After subject, then object, and after object, at the end, verb goes at end.
Right.
And this verb is conjugated according to subject. Okay? And this is your Nebensatz.
Right.
For example, ich gehe heute nicht in die Schule, comma, weil, what is the subject? Ich, let's say any krank, let's say müde, tired. Müde, bin. Bin at the last, conjugated according to ich.
Right. Ma'am, one question. In Nebensatz, verb form will always go at the end.
Yes.
Okay.
Coming to the other, but if you want to start your sentence with while, because I was tired, I didn't go to school, like this.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of mute? Means lazy, right?
Müde, yeah, lazy or tired. Coming to, if you're starting the sentence with while, after while, you will put subject. Basically the sentence structure remains the same like this only. While, subject, object, and then verb at the end. While, subject, object plus verb. But after that verb, whenever it is fixed for all the connectors which form Nebensatz, when you are starting your sentence with Nebensatz, it will follow a rule which is called verb comma verb.
Okay.
The Hauptsatz verb comes before the subject. Okay. For example, this same sentence. Weil ich müde bin.
Comma, gehe ich.
Correct.
Nicht in die Schule.
Gehe ich heute nicht
in the Schule.
in die Schule. Any doubt with this? Weil?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to Denn. So the sentence structure is subject plus verb Hauptsatz, object, comma den plus subject plus verb plus object. The same sentence. Ich gehe heute nicht in die Schule.
Okay.
Den ich bin müde.
Ma'am, one question.
Now,
If both of these words means the same, then where to use then and where to use while?
okay, so it totally depends on you whether you want to use den or while. Only the sentence structure is different. The rest is same.
Okay.
Meaning, it do not have any specific areas that where we can use while and den. The only difference is with the den you cannot start your sentence.
Got it.
Okay, but if you have a choice to make your sentence with because, you have two choice, either use den or while. Okay, any doubt?
No.
Okay, now we have, okay, so any sentence that, okay, yes, if you want to form your sentence with modal verb, any modal verb is there, okay, let us say I'm using it with while. For example, I go early in the bed because I have to wake up early. Okay. So ich gehe
Früh ins Bett.
früh ins Bett, comma, while ich. Now modal verb is there.
Right. Have
So
to.
yes, and when you have modal verb and a regular verb in a sentence, the modal verb is conjugated according to the subject, right?
Right. Right.
Yes.
And it is placed in the second place, and the regular verb goes at the end, right?
Right.
So in this case also, ich
Ich
gehe
muss.
früh ins Bett, weil ich,
Muss.
what is this, früh aufstehen muss, because I have to wake up early.
Just a second, ma'am. You said that verb form will goes at that and modal verb stays at the second, right?
No, yeah, that is, yes, it is correct. Modal verb place at the second. But with while, it is the rule that verb goes at the end. If I want to use this sentence like I have to wake up early, it will be like this: Ich muss früh aufstehen, right? But I am using while, so this verb will go at the end.
Okay, got it.
Understood? Now,
Ma'am, if there is a verb called gain again, just an example. So after while, so how we can use it? I have to go early in the morning.
same. Weil ich früher gehen muss.
Gehen muss. Okay.
As in
That-
gehen, sorry.
Gehen, yeah, exactly.
Gehen muss.
Okay.
Anything else?
No.
The other student, any doubt?
Ma'am, muse is modal verb or it is not, ma'am?
Yes, it is a modal verb. Müssen. Basically, muss is the conjugation according to ish, and it means must or have to.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt?
No.
Now, coming to das. Das means that. Now, it is also your SOC connector, which means that the verb goes at the end. So the sentence structure is the same: subject plus verb plus object, comma das plus subject, object, and then verb.
Mm-hmm.
This verb is conjugated according to the subject. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For example, I am sure, ich bin sicher, comma, das, that you can write better. Das du, das du besser schreiben kannst. Again, modal verb at the end, conjugated according to do, and schreiben remains at the end. Infinitive form. Now, grammatically, it will be correct to use das in the starting. As in, we just follow the same structure just we did with the while. Das, subject, object, then verb, comma, verb, subject plus object. But it doesn't make sense while with starting any sentence with das. Same sentence this. Das you can do better, I know for sure. Or I am sure. Is this making sense even in English? Not really, exactly. So, grammatically it is correct to use das in the starting. But it is not used. But we do not do that. Because it doesn't make any sense. Okay?
Ma'am, some more examples of das.
Yes. Okay, so wir kennen, das, wo unser Urlaubsziel ist. We know that where our vacation spot is.
Two connectors can be used in one line, one sentence.
Yes, but pay attention to the verb position.
Okay.
You can use so many connectors in one sentence. Just the thing is, pay attention to the verb position.